Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix QR code not working on iPhone. So guys, if QR codes are not working on your iPhone after update iOS 17, 17.5, 17.5.1, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Number one is check the camera app. Ensure the camera app is functioning properly and not stuck or frozen. Simply go back, open the camera app. You can see appears on screen camera app is working. If camera app is stuck or frozen, simply restart your iPhone and fix your problem. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find, tap on shutdown, dragging the slider to right side. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely shut down, turn it on back and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is hard reset your iPhone. Sometimes a simple hard reset can resolve all bugs and problems. Simply press the volume up button, volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely rebooted, your problem is fixed. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is check for software updates. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number three is not working, now applying the solution number four. Solution number four is reset all settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset all settings. Reset all settings to confirm this action. When your iPhone setting is completely restored, your problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is clean camera lens. Simply clean camera lens, remove case and fix your problem. Clean camera lens with tissue paper or soft cloth and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is disable and re-enable QR code scanning. Go to the settings, find the camera app, little bit scroll up and tap on it, and you can see appears on screen scan QR code. Simply disable it and after 10 to 20 seconds enable and fix your problem. If solution number 7 is not working, now applying this solution number 8. Solution number 8 is check for hardware issue. Ensure your iPhone's camera is not damaged or faulty. Make sure your iPhone is not dropped down. If your iPhone is dropped down, visit the nearest Apple store or fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, try a different QR code. Ensure the QR code is not damaged or expired. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix QR code not working on iPhone after new iOS update, iOS 17, iOS 17.5, 17.5.1. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.